This is a Ford F-550 2017 Expedition truck. It's a go-anywhere vehicle built to live off the grid with a full solar system and all diesel appliances. The camper body itself is a total composites panel kit that we designed and built at Arclab Motorsport. It has a Kelderman 4-link rear suspension with dual airbags in the back and a Kelderman airbag system in the front as well. Well, the vehicle cab itself is outfitted with Recaro MC2 seats front and back, air ride suspension in the front, and adjustable lumbar throughout. It's got a police center console that houses the CB and VHF radios. This is an Arclab front bumper for this F-550 that we've installed a worn 16,500 pound winch in with synthetic rope. Bumper also has PIA LED lighting as well as massive machined recovery points. The vehicle is equipped with a Victron Energy solar system. It's got a 3,000 watt power inverter, 600 amp hours of lithium battery storage, and 900 watts of solar panel on the roof to supply those batteries. The truck itself does run on diesel. All of the appliances we put in the truck, air heater by Aspar, water heater by Aspar, and a wall-less oven and wall-less cooktop all run off of diesel fuel. So you're not taking from your battery bank to cook and heat the vehicle. Ultimately, it gives you longer range and staying off grid longer, and potentially not having sunlight to provide you with electricity. This vehicle in particular was originally designed to go to Central America, but it could handle any temperature extremes, hot or cold. The camper body itself is built on a subframe, and that subframe attaches to the truck frame on 3 points, allowing it to articulate to sort of make up for the twist of the frame and isolate all the torsional loads. Instead of transferring it to the camper body, the articulating subframe takes all those torsional loads. The camper body itself is outfitted with outbound windows and doors from the Netherlands. The windows and doors are a dual pane filled unit and they're DOT approved. We have a Fiamma awning on the vehicle to block out all those harmful UV rays when you're trying to lounge. And there's also a rear winch in the back. The cab over of the camper accommodates a king-size bed and has storage surrounding it at the headboard and at the side, as well as cabinetry at your feet. LED lighting in the cab over for the king-size bed. The bathroom has a Thetford cassette toilet, has a walnut finished floor, stainless steel vanity, and a max fan ventilation unit in the ceiling. There is a shower in the bathroom, as well as a shower on the outside of the vehicle. They're all marine-grade appliances. They run off DC or AC power. There's an ice maker, a fridge freezer. Cabinets are made with anagray veneer on a Baltic birch plywood and finished with all marine hardware. The countertop is stainless steel, the sink inlaid and welded and blended. And there's a Seagull water filtration unit under the sink. Dining quarters consist of a custom walnut table, seating for 6, and the seating area and the table also convert into a queen-size bed area using a telescopic table post and cushions cut to fit. The control panel located right next to the dining area consists of a Blue Sea fuse panel, all marine-grade wiring, and it's all easily accessible through a cabinet door while you sit down and eat lunch. We've equipped the truck with 59 gallons of fresh water holding capacity and 20 gallons of gray water holding capacity. The truck doesn't utilize a black tank. It uses a Thetford cassette toilet instead. The vehicle has a lightly upgraded stereo system. The head unit's been replaced, door speakers have been replaced, and an Alpine DVD deck has been added.